Hey folks, welcome back to yet another video on watercolor. Today's one is gonna be an epic watercolor tutorial, especially for the beginners. So take out all your gear and follow my footprints. And I see you on the other side of the sketch. I hope you did very well with the first step. Now we need two pearls of shades, one dark, one light. We are not trying to mix some darks here, so directly diving into the black and grey. You can pause the video and prepare your shades as well. I guess we are good to go to the second step now. All we need to paint this scene is black, grey and a gradation from dark to light. Gradation will be used for the sky and the sea, the darks for the foreground rocky cliff, and finally the lighter greys for the mountains. So we start off with a bigger brush for the first layer. Add loads of water for the first step so that it remains wet for the second one. Don't be scared, be wild with your strokes. Enjoy the process, your brush should be dancing on the paper. Soon after the first step, mix a grey which is a little stronger than the first one. This is for the clouds. Remember, whatever you paint will appear lighter after it dries off. So mix your shades a little darker than what you expect it to be. There we go, we are done with the sky and we are never going back to it ever again. Moving ahead with the mountains, we add a hint of blue to the leftover grey wash. Sorry, I forgot to mention, a little darker than what the clouds were. Now we need a darker gradation for the sea, from dark to light. Don't forget the mountain is still wet and we want the sea to blend into it. This will give it a sense of depth and atmosphere. I hope you still follow me, and I hope you're doing better than what I did. We need to dry it off before we paint the rocky cliff, which is the darkest part of the painting. For this step, we need a bigger snappy brush that can hold a loads of pigment. Here I'm using Escoda Perla round 12. All the other materials used in this video will be in the description box below, so don't forget to check that. Digging directly into the blacks, we need to fill the rocky cliff with all black. Just fill it in, probably the easiest part of the painting. I guess you have already seen magic happening on your paper. Practice this same scene by watching this video over and over again. Till then you are proud of your painting. Finally, if you have a white gouache, put some splatter on the foreground to create some interest. But be aware, this could make or break a painting. You need to add 70% water and 30% gouache, so it dries off much lighter than what we see now. One last dry and we are done. And yes, don't forget to make it yours by signing it. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the show and I hope you enjoyed painting this simple yet beautiful landscape. I really need to say this. A lot goes into making these videos. I had to do a lot of homework before every single video. And in return, I need loads of love from you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. Bye.